At grade level, medyo mahaba po, kaya po, ayan, pagtsagaan po natin, mahaba ang listahan. Aki Johansson Garcera with honors. James Gabriel Yu with high honors. Metzeriel Enzo Magnuyan with honors. Andrew Daniel Casaba with honors. Ana Cristina Balcos with high honors. Rich May Dominic Javier with high honors. Dustin Ash Doringo with honors. Shania Glyza Nerves with high honors. Angela Audrey Moranya with honors. Gail Valerie Simoy with high honors. Denzel Haley Tejano with highest honors. Angelica Ling Santos with high honors. Jeronimo Viernes III with high honors. Viel Ashley Esteban with high honors. Azumi Colleen Cordito with high honors. Maria Patricia Dancasel with honors. Joanna Cheska Lano with high honors. Maria Elizabeth Dancasel with honors. Rachel Ann Ignacio with honors. Ayesha Tarik Bien Aracha with highest honors. Alexis Jane Buena with honors. Mariel Andrea Bagay with honors. Kenji Santos with high honors. Liam Enzo Sabino with honors. John Richmond Peralta with honors. John Adrian Peralta with honors. John Lord Fornal with high honors. Gabriel Sombito with honors. Derek J.V. Elico with honors. Amil Bula with high honors. Ralph Dexter Gonzalez with honors. Ernest John Legaspi with honors. Morris Gabriel Lorenzo with high honors. Sir Joaquin Libiran with honors. Jake Reginald Ignacio with high honors. Mark Daniel Kua with honors. Josephine Barredo with honors. Thyra Gail Gonzalez with honors. Congratulations po sa lahat po ng naging achiever. I mean sa lahat ng magulang po ng achievers natin for the second quarter. At patuloy po natin supportahan ng ating mga anak para po sa darating pa mga quarters, 3rd and 4th. At sana po ngayong darating na March 28, if I'm not mistaken, 26, March 26, sa Recognition Day, ay kayo po ay nakabihis ng maganda at ang inyong mga anak ay mag-aaral din ng postura para kunin ang medal. Ano po? Tayo po ay sama-samang sumuporta sa ating po